Hello traders, today is March 5th, Wednesday. I'm going to show you the signals on the Sonic trading system. We have a lot of opportunities here as the market continues lower or if it reverses. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Now this short video is going to show you how powerful the Sonic trading system is, especially when we have multiple signals in a row back to back telling us to continue in that same direction. So here we see 1, 2, 3 signals to go short. Now typically I say if you have 2 signals to go short, that is another opportunity to go in the same direction because we have a strong trend. Now here we have another one, 57.64. So this is a very specific entry. The Sonic system tells you to go short at a specific price. I always recommend getting a better price. In this case, when I took this trade here this morning, I jumped in a little bit prematurely, but I should have gotten a better price. I didn't have to jump in the way I did. But because we have previous signals here to go short, 1, 2, 3, the fourth one, and the market is volatile, to me, that makes a lot of sense to enter into the market for another short opportunity. The previous trades, $200, $300 each trade because the ATR is that high. I think that if you're taking $200 to $300 per contract per trade on the E-mini S&P, it's more than enough based on the current volatility. I use the average true range for the volatility to tell me if the market's slow or fast. Now we teach this in our classes just so you can understand that every target and every stop is different. It's not always the same. We never take the same target on every single trade. It's based on the current conditions or the ATR. So you can see that it's 5 points. And so typically speaking, we can expect 3, 4, 5, up to 5 points on a trade like this by following the Sonic signals and entering right. Always try for a better price. And to make $200 or $300 in a minute or two, I think that's a great way to start your day.
Filled.
My target's hit, and especially because we've had so many signals here in the same direction, now's a good time to pause. We had a great day in the trading room this morning. If you're interested, visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up for a free member account, learn how to trade price action in our live classes Monday through Friday. Even if you're a beginner trader, start slow, get the Sonic system, join Accelerated Mentorship, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.